Hey everyone, Michael Tiny Saul. It is Wednesday, May 11th at about 9:30 p.m. and this is more management of the stock trading watch list for the week of May 9th, 2011. Have two to go over and then one to add on. Net teas. We had a 47.13 entry on this candle on Tuesday. Stops were moved to break even. Still looking at half plus 2, which would be 45.13. When that happens, stops move to plus 1 to lock in plus 1, and looking at half off plus 5, which would be 42.13. Rig Transocean, that fired off on Wednesday, okay, and it triggered at 67.58. The original stop was 68.88. We moved stops after it went the predetermined amount. Stops are now 66.78, so locking in 80 cents if it gets a little blowback here. Half off plus $1.30 was achieved. Okay, it traded to 60. Let's see, what was the low? The low was 65.92, so below the 66.28, which the $1.30 would be achieved at. And then we're looking at the second half off at 64.78. We adjusted the target to 64.78 here. So just take note of that. So this one already, we managed to book half, and we're looking at 64.78 to take the second half off. And then the new one is going to be Georgia Gulf Corp. Now, Georgia Gulf Corp had a nice roll over here and is now in a nice sideways power consolidation, I like to call it, right at the 89 EMA as resistance. Problem is the fast-moving averages are still above here, and they may want to catch up. So just going to look at this one with a half unit. The video is going to take this as a half-unit trade. 30.96 short entry, 32.56 stop loss. That's $1.60. Gain of, not on, it should say gain of 70 cents. Move stops to break even. Half off plus $1.70, and half off at $24.95, which is 50 cents above the 200-day moving average, and we'll adjust that as the trade plays out. So that's it. Have a great trading day on Thursday. I will talk to everybody again for Friday.